Hi everyone, welcome to another video of easy and homemade recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sloppy joe sandwich. It's very easy and quick and you can have it in no time. So let's just get right into it. To begin, I'm taking a 2-pound organic ground meat that I have thawed prior, and now I'm cooking it in a cast iron skillet. So you can see how I'm making sure that it's all well grounded inside of the pot. And to that I'm adding half an onion that I've cut prior, and I'm gonna mix it, just the seasoning. So it's very quick. It's a quick meal and you will not have to really do a lot. I'm using pepper. I'm adding pepper and I'm adding salt to season. Whichever amount you like, that's what you're gonna use. I don't use a lot, so I'm just gonna keep mixing it. And once I'm done mixing it, I'm now gonna add a little bit of chili powder, and the information for this recipe will be found in the description box down below. So I also added garlic, and now I'm adding parsley and all of that, and I'm using a little bit of cumin, and I'm gonna mix it all together. So once I'm done mixing it, I'm now going to continue grinding the ground meat to make sure that it becomes like in little small pieces, because I don't like it in chunks. So once I'm done doing that, I'm now going to add a little bit of water just to let the meat boil, because I like my meat well done. I don't want it to be red. And then I will cover it and for a couple of minutes, and then after that I will still continue grinding it. And now I'm gonna use the Manwich sauce for the sloppy joe. So I did not make my own. I just got a can of Manwich sloppy joe sauce, and that's what I'm using. That's the only secret actually for the whole recipe. So I'm going to mix it all together. Mixing everything, I'm now going to cover it for a couple of minutes to allow the tomato to really cook, and that's it. It's really easy, and in no time you will have your sandwich. I am serving my sandwich with homemade bread, or you can use a store-bought bread, that will still work. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.